Adding a header and footer to your invoice helps you maintain a professional image for your restaurant and provide essential information that's useful to your customers too. In this video, we'll show you how simple it is to add a header and a footer to your invoice in your Sapaad POS. Let's begin. First, log into your Sapaad account. Visit Setup and go to Location Setup. Choose the location where you want to update your invoice. Next, click Printer and Peripheral Settings. Then select Print Settings. Go to Invoice Templates and click Edit against the invoice you want to add a header and footer to. To add a header, click the Header tab. Next, tick the Show Header checkbox, and then you can enter the invoice header within the designated text box. Additionally, there are formatting options available for customizing the appearance of the header. What makes this even better is that you get to see the changes you make as you edit the invoice. Just look at the right side of the screen to check out the sample preview. Once you've made the desired changes, click Save. The same steps apply if you want to add a footer. Go to the Footer tab, tick the Show Footer checkbox, enter the footer details, and hit Save. There you have it. You have successfully added a header and footer to your invoice. Check out our video on setting up invoice number formats unique to your locations. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.